A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a different topic or a new topic, that is SAR of phenothiazines. SAR means that is structural activity relationship. Okay. What is the mean of SAR? The mean of SAR is जब भी हम किसी ड्रग के स्ट्रक्चर में कोई भी चेंजेस करते हैं, कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट ऐड करते हैं, अदरवाइज़ उसके कोई नया सब्स्टिट्यूट या नया डेरिवेटिव बनाने के लिए उसमें ऐड करते हैं, चेंजेस करते हैं, तो उसके चेंजेस की वजह से उसकी एक्टिविटी भी चेंज हो जाती है. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द टॉपिक SAR of phenothiazine. So before discussion of SAR, we should know about the phenothiazines. Phenothiazine is a tranquilizer drug. Tranquilizers are used primarily for the treatment of symptoms of mental disease. Okay, they cause sedation without inducing sleep. They are essentially used in the sympathomimetic treatment of psychosis. Okay, general mode of action of the tranquilizers are all antipsychotic drugs have potent dopamine receptor blocking action. Okay, they are having the blocking action on dopamine receptor. So now come to the topic SAR of phenothiazine. It is presumed that phenothiazine, that is a neuroleptic mediated drug, mediated their pharmacological effect mainly through interaction at dopamine receptor. Okay, these drugs are, whenever we examine of X-ray structure of dopamine and chlorpromazine is substituted with chlorine, show that these two structure can be partly superimposed. Okay, chlorpromazine base could be superimposed on aromatic ring of dopamine base with sulfur atom aligning with para, this sulfur atom. Okay, sulfur atom aligned with para hydroxy of dopamine. So these substances are chemically constituted by lipophilic linearly fused tricyclic system having hydrophilic basic amino alkyl side chain. Okay, where the basic alkyl side chain? This one. This is the alkyl side chain. Okay, now come to the activity of phenothiazine is determined by the following activities. Number 1, nature of alkyl side chain at the 10th position. This one, N, is the 10th position. And number 2 is amino group of side chain. And number 3 is substituted on aromatic ring. So number 1 is modification of alkyl chain. Whenever we are modify any changes at the position of alkyl side chain, the activity of the drug or phenothiazine ring is enhanced. Okay, so number 1 is potency is maximum where there is a 3 carbon between 2N at ring and side chain N. This one 2N chain, और ये यहाँ पर कुछ भी इसमें हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. हम इसमें कार्बन चेंज को बढ़ा भी सकते हैं और कम भी कर सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से एक्टिविटीज़ में डिफरेंसेस आ जाएगा. नंबर 2 इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिथाइल ग्रुप एट कार्बन 1 डिक्रीजेस. कार्बन 1 वेयर द कार्बन 1, दिस वन. Okay, introduction of methyl group at carbon 1 decreases antipsychotic activity and produce impramine like activity. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर हम किसी भी पोजीशन पर कोई भी नई सब्स्टिट्यूट ऐड करते हैं या वहाँ से चेंज करते हैं, वहाँ से रिड्यूस करते हैं, देन तो किसी भी ड्रग की एक्टिविटी में चेंजेस आ जाएंगे. इसीलिए इन्होंने अभी कहा कि वेन एवर वी इंट्रोड्यूस एनी मिथाइल ग्रुप एट द कार्बन 1 पोजीशन, द एक्टिविटी ऑफ एंटीसाइकोटिक antipsychotic of the drug is decreases. Okay. Now, if carbon 1 is incorporated into cyclopropane ring, imperamine like activity is obtained. Okay. Next number, when oxygen is introduced into the carbon 1, at the carbon 1 position we introduce by oxygen. Okay. The result is in the potent antidepressant effect. ओके तो जो ड्रग होगी दैट शोज द एंटी डिप्रेसेंट इफेक्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लोरासिजाइन. नेक्स्ट, एडिशन ऑफ मिथाइल एट कार्बन 2 एंड कार्बन 3, दिस पोजिशन एट कार्बन 2 और कार्बन 3, दिस इज द phenothiazine basic structure. Okay. And at the carbon 2 or carbon 3 position we have introduced with methyl group, has very little effect on the activity. Next is bridging of position 3 of side chain to position 1 of phenothiazine nucleus decreases the neuroleptic activity. Now come to the second modification, amino group modification. Tertiary nitrogen shows the maximum potency and secondary or primary nitrogen shows reduce or abolish activity. An alkylation with more than one carbon decreases the activity. Where the amino group is here, this one. Okay, this one, कि अगर हम यहाँ पर कोई भी चेंजेस करते हैं इसमें तो पोटेंसी ऑफ द ड्रग इज reduced or increased. So activity is decreased when dimethyl amino group is replaced by pyrrolidinyl morphinyl groups. Okay, now next is bridge piperidine derivative retain high degree of activity although bulky. Next point is introduction of OH, CS3, CS3, CS2, OH at carbon 4 of piperidine result in increase the activity. So whenever we introduce or substitute any different type of methyl, ethyl or alcoholic compound at the carbon 4 or this position, the activity of the compound is increased. When N4 piperazine substitute are as large as phenyl, ethyl or para-aminophenyl ethyl, for example azapirane, chlorcypirane are the active drugs are introduced. Now next is phenothiazine ring. Substitution at carbon 2 position is optimal for neuroleptical activity. Okay, carbon at the carbon 2 position, this one carbon 2 position, neuroleptical activity is obtained. In general potency at different position increases in the following order, this one ratio. Okay, potency of the various group increases in the following order, this one. कि अगर हम इनमें से कोई भी ग्रुप कार्बन 2 पोजीशन पर ऐड करते हैं तो उनकी पोटेंसी इस वे में, इस ऑर्डर में इंक्रीज होगी. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन होगा, दिस वन. अगर इस ग्रुप सब्सटीट्यूट को हम उस जगह पर उस पोजीशन पर ऐड करेंगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी इसकी एनहेंस होगी. फिर ये सबसे कम एक्टिविटी वाला कंपाउंड OH का होगा. Now di substitution or tri substitution of the carbon 2 substituted drug result in harmful potency. CF3 is more potent than chlorine, hence chlorpromazine is much used rather than trifluoromazine. Okay, now come to the next topic is oxidation of the sulfur at 5th position of antipsychotic phenothiazine decreases the activity. क्या बोला इन्होंने कि oxidation of the sulfur at position 5 of antipsychotic phenothiazine decreases the activity, this one. if any substitution we are doing at this position, the activity of antipsychotic of the drug is decreases. This is the SAR of phenothiazine. Thank you.